Our top story at this hour, yet another exam has been postponed. More trouble for NTA amid NEET paper leak controversy. NTA on Friday postponed CSIR NET UGC exam scheduled for next week. Issuing a statement, the National Testing Agency said the exam is being postponed due to unavoidable circumstances as well as logistic issues. This comes after the testing body is already under fire for NEET and NET exams. Opposition came down heavily on the Modi government and called the cancellation of the NTA and centre's failure, demanding, in fact, the resignation of the education minister. And the opposition said that Modi government has failed the youth of the country.
24 लाख स्टूडेंट से बात करना चाहता हूं जिनको नीट पेपर लीक से नुकसान हुआ। सड़क से संसद तक हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं। 24 लाख स्टूडेंट से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, आप अकेले नहीं हो। पिछले 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक हुआ है और 2 करोड़ युवाओं को पेपर लीक से नुकसान हुआ है। अगर सरकार आपकी रक्षा नहीं कर सकती है तो ऑपोजिशन आपकी रक्षा करेगी। ये जो आपका मुद्दा है, इसको मैं पर्सनली संसद में आपके लिए उठाऊंगा और पूरा का पूरा दबाव हम सरकार पे डालेंगे।
And big development in the Bihar NEET paper leak case, where a name of some of the mastermind really has emerged in this case. The Bihar police is now looking for Sanjeev Kumar, alias Sanjeev Mukhya, who allegedly provided NEET papers to accused Sikandar Kumar. Mukhya was involved in many paper leak cases since 2010. He earlier used to work with Bihar's biggest paper leak, Don Ranjit. Now he runs his own solver gang. Meanwhile, politics has peaked over the paper leak. Tejasvi Yadav's PA, Pritam Kumar, has been named by the police. He was drilled by the Bihar EOU, and his links with the mastermind Sikandar will be probed. On the other hand, the RJD has also released images of the current Bihar Deputy Chief Minister, Samrat Chaudhary, with one of the accused in the case, Amit Anand, who is currently in custody and has confessed to his involvement in the NEET paper leak.
लड़का बीटेक किया था, कंपनी में जॉब करता था, फिर उसके बाद शायद कुछ पॉलिटिक्स का कोर्स किया, उसी में वो था। न्यूज़ चैनल से मुझे जानकारी देख रहे हैं, लेकिन मेरा अपना मानना है कि वो निर्दोष ही है। लेकिन जब तक कानून का उस पर जब कानून उसको नहीं कर देता है तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? हम कौन होते हैं करने वाले?
जांच हो रही है और उसकी जांच आर्थिक अपराध इकाई भी कर रही है और ये तथ्य भी सामने आया है कि तत्कालीन उप मुख्यमंत्री और पथ निर्माण विभाग के जो मंत्री थे, उनके निजी सहायक के अनुशंसा पर उन लोगों को एनएच के गेस्ट हाउस में जगह मिली थी। उसकी जांच हो रही है, जो कानूनी रूप से होगा वो कार्रवाई होगी।
Abhishek is getting us more details. Aditya, in fact, is getting us more details on that big story. Aditya joining us from Patna this morning. Aditya, a very good morning to you. Just take us through the details of this investigation, given that political names have also now surfaced, both from the RJD side and from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party, with the Deputy Chief Minister also seen with the accused herein.
Very good morning, Sneha. And as far as the investigation pertaining to the NEET controversy is concerned, the investigation is on, and that the scope of the investigation has been widened by the Economic Offences Unit of Bihar, which is badly in the need of being provided reference sample question papers by the NTA. Notable is the fact that if at all the NTA provides reference sample question paper to the EOU, it will be very easy for the EOU to confirm and cross-check whether or not the question papers were leaked by the syndicate. Interestingly is the fact that amid the tussle between the NTA and the EOU over the reference question papers, there is yet another slugfest that has triggered between the political circles of Bihar, with both sides, be it NDA or Mahagathbandhan, blaming each other and claiming that the people involved in this entire nexus were associated to the other party. So this is something that is transpiring, and notable is the fact that Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha has evoked the EOU to question Tejasvi and Pritam. And notable is the fact that even Tejasvi has dared Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar to question Pritam if needed.
All right, Aditya, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details as far as the investigations in this huge exam mess is concerned.